Hello and welcome to a tutorial on how to use WordPress.com to start your very first blog. This is pretty simple stuff, so I just thought I would quickly walk through it. Number one, you got to go to WordPress.com. And here we are at WordPress.com. Now you may notice right here is a big button on WordPress.com that says Sign Up Now. Go ahead and click that button. And as you can see, we have a form that asks for some basic information: username, password, confirmation, email address, a little agreement to their terms of service, and so forth. So real simple. Pick a username for yourself, something unique, and go ahead and get started. Okay, so I've entered a username and password. It's a strong password, and now my email address so that I can be found by the administrator if need be. I've read the terms of service. I recommend that you actually click on this link to read the terms of service, but I've read them already, so I'll save you that step. And then just click Give Me a Blog and click Next. And here we are. I now have a blog domain, davidcohenblog.wordpress.com. I have a blog title, which I can change, and since David Cohen Blog all ran together doesn't really read that easily, I'm going to change that real quickly. So we'll just put the spaces in. David Cohen's blog. Get rid of that. So I got a nice clean title for the blog. I can choose a language here, but since I speak English, I'm going to use English. And I have a choice whether I would like the blog to turn up on search engines or be privately listed. I'm going to leave this checked, which means that my blog can be found. I'll go ahead and click to sign up. And it is informing me here that I have been sent an email. The email is there to just verify that you are the actual person who has signed up for the blog. So if you can pause for a moment, I will go and check my email and make sure that I've gotten that activation. And here we can see the email from WordPress.com letting me know that I'm about to activate that blog, and you can just go ahead and click on this in your email. I'm actually going to cut and paste it because I'm using a different browser. So let me get that out of the way. Paste that code in. My username and my password. And here we are in the dashboard for the WordPress.com blog. Very simple layout. You've got some commands up at the top, your account, your dashboard, a quick link for a new post, the name of your blog, a link to visit your actual site, and a few other things that you'll need to explore and play around with. I'm going to quickly write a page for myself, my About page. And as you can see, I've got some example text in there. Going to get rid of that and say, this is a blog about David Cohen. I am a brand consultant and artist. up top, I'm going to change the title of the About page to About David Cohen. Now I have some other fancier options in terms of setting up templates and things, but these are really bells and whistles on top of the basics. To get started, all I've got to do right now is just click Save. And now this page has been updated. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on this button up top here, which is New Post. My first blog post. This is the first blog post by David Cohen to demonstrate how easy it is to make a blog using WordPress. WordPress.com. Now I'm going to tag that with a tag blog easy tutorial. And I'm going to go ahead and publish it. And now that that has saved, I'm going to click on Visit the Site. And you can see I've got a blog. Very simple, very basic blog, but a blog nonetheless. I can change the look and feel. I can alter some of the layout, change the color scheme, put some of my own graphics in, but these are the basics, and I can start writing to my heart's content. I'll show you real quick some of the themes that WordPress.com makes available and how easy it is to quickly change the look of the site. So once again, I go back to my dashboard. Over here it says Design. I'm going to click on that. And you'll see as the page loads, I've got a whole bunch of different designs that I can choose from to alter the look of my blog. Kind of like this one called Daydream, so I'm going to click on that. And I get a preview of what my blog might look like with that Daydream style. That was pretty nice, but let's go with something called Chaos Theory. Again, here's my blog previewed with how it might look with this Chaos Theory theme. I think I like Daydream better, so I'm going to go ahead and select that. And activate Daydream. And now it lists that Daydream is my current theme. So now if we visit the site, we can see that the blog now uses that theme. Once more, back to the dashboard, back to the design section, and we can see that there are some options for Daydream. Some different graphics for the top, and whether it is left or center or right aligned. Let's take a look and see what the green option looks like. And visit the site. And there we have it. A nice variation. So as you can see, without very much work at all, I've started a blog, decorated it, and have now a lot of fun ahead of me writing posts, playing around with different themes and options, and enjoying the wonderful world of blogging. I hope you found this helpful, and I hope that you will get started doing some writing and help using a blog to grow and strengthen your personal brand. Thank you. I'm David Cohen from EquationArts.com.